Did you hear that? When the moon is full and the forest holds its breath, the animals begin to stir. A golden trumpet, forgotten under roots, floats up on its own, calling the kingdom into rhythm. From behind trees, animals peek. Big eyes, twitching ears, curious hearts drawn to the sound. The trumpet floats ahead like a guide, and the forest floor lights up with a glowing parade path. Monkeys swing from vines, penguins waddle in rhythm, even the sleepy bear rolls into a happy spin. This wasn't just a walk, it was the kingdom's secret celebration, a midnight miracle. But high above, in the twisted branches, one creature watched, alone and forgotten. Ricky had never been invited to the parade. He thought no one noticed him at all. But a small hedgehog noticed him and smiled. Tonight, the parade had space for one more. Ricky slid down the tree with a tumble and a grin, landing right beside the marching mole. He tried a spin, a hop, a wag, and the parade cheered. Ricky had rhythm after all. The parade welcomed him like family, and Ricky's heart glowed brighter than the path. Suddenly, a sharp wind howled, and the golden trumpet shot into the sky like a firework. The music stopped. The glowing path faded. The forest turned still, almost scared. "We need to find it," cried the hedgehog, "before midnight ends and the magic fades forever." Ricky led the search party into the dark pines, a part of the forest where no animal ever dared go. They climbed over roots, ducked under webs, and squeezed past trees twisted like candy canes. Then Ricky spotted something. Golden sparks trapped in a spider's web. The trail of sparks led them into a canyon where their footsteps echoed like drumbeats. They followed the echoes. And soon the distant sound of trumpet notes called back to them. "It's close!" shouted Ricky, and the whole forest began to race. At the top of Moonlight Hill, the trumpet spun in the sky, lighting up every shadow below. Ricky reached out, and the trumpet floated gently into his paws, like it had always been his. The parade roared back to life, louder, brighter, and happier than ever before. Under the full moon, the animals danced in a circle so perfect, even the stars seemed to join in. No one was left out, no one forgotten, not even you, dear dreamer watching from afar. So if you love this magical night, tap like to light a firefly, comment your favorite animal to join the parade, and subscribe so you're never left behind again.